Are you looking for the best hot tub covers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best hot tub covers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Classic Accessories Veranda Hot Tub Cover. The lightweight Classic Accessories Veranda hot tub cover is made from a thick material that felt incredibly durable as soon as we took it out of its packaging. During the testing period, we put the cover on and off a hot tub on a daily basis, and found it to be highly durable with no rips or holes, even after not being particularly careful with it, for testing purposes. While it kept debris out of the hot tub, it didn't provide any insulating properties. We also appreciated that it effectively withstood the elements, and it gave no indication that it would stop doing so anytime soon. The waterproof cover has an adjustable elastic bungee cord around the bottom which allows it to fit securely to the hot tub, although it doesn't extend all the way down to the bottom of the tub to keep the whole of it protected. There are 2 reinforced handles on either side that allowed for easy removal. The cover was much easier to use than some others we tried thanks to its lighter weight, which also makes it easy for one person to handle it by themselves. While some hot tub covers are available in multiple sizes and colors, this cover is only available in one. How it performed after 2 months. We appreciated how lightweight this hot tub cover was, making it easy to put it on and remove. During testing, we didn't love that option features a drawstring closure, which may not be safe for those with pets and children. It's also not insulated and took a bit of effort to secure it. However, we still thought it was a good option to consider for summer months or for those who live in warmer climates. Product details: dimensions, 84 by 84 inches, weight, 5.27 pounds, shape, round, material, polyester, weather conditions / insulation, water resistant and repellent, no insulation. Number 2. UCARE Waterproof Hot Tub Cover. If you have an inflatable hot tub, the UCARE hot tub cover is our top recommendation. At a little over 3 pounds, it's light enough so it doesn't weigh the tub down, yet it has just the right amount of heft needed for it to stay in place. We evaluated this cover several times during our testing process, and we found that it fit nicely over the hot tub. We liked that its drawstring design enabled us to tighten the cover for extra security. There was some excess fabric that we had to fold over, but we found that it was easy for just one person to put on and take off. The material is not as thick as some other covers we tried, but it felt durable during our testing. It did not do much to keep the hot tub's water temperature consistent, but it did do a great job of keeping all bugs and other garden debris out of the tub. What we particularly liked about this cover was that, unlike similar products, it fully covers the whole of the hot tub. Since it's also UV resistant, this helps protect your hot tub from discoloration and sun damage. It is also waterproof, and comes in its own carry bag to store it away when not in use. How it performed after 2 months. During testing, this option didn't insulate the water or fit as easily onto our hot tub as we would have liked. However, it's a good option if your hot tub is situated near trees and other shrubbery as it prevented debris from getting into the tub. Product details: dimensions, 43 by 73 by 73 inches, weight, 3.05 pounds, shape, round, material, 420D Oxford, weather conditions / insulation, waterproof, no insulation. Number 3. The Cover Guy Deluxe Hot Tub Cover. The Cover Guy Deluxe Hot Tub Cover is all you need to protect and insulate your hot tub for years to come and maintain. It's not a one-click order on this cover. You'll need to select everything, including shape, fold, skirt length, and cover color, and input your hot tub style and model number when you order. There's even a measuring video to help you correctly measure the dimensions. The covers can measure up to 96 by 96 inches, because once your order is placed, you can't make changes. The effort to order is well worth it. You'll end up with a custom hot tub cover that'll fit like a glove with a 7-year warranty. These covers are made with high-density foam and marine-grade vinyl, and they're crafted for year-round insulation, even under harsh weather conditions, to protect your outdoor oasis. Additionally, the outdoor fabric, available in 15+ colors, will not fade or crack. With 4 lockable straps, the cover and hot tub can be securely closed when not in use. While the ordering process may seem intimidating, watch the video, use the guide, and input all the information. If you do all that, your hot tub cover will arrive quickly and fit perfectly. Product details, dimensions, customizable up to 96 by 96 inches, weight, varies, shape, 7 shape options, material, high-density foam and marine-grade vinyl, weather conditions/insulation, year-round insulation. Number 4. MySpaCover Replacement Taper Cover. If your hot tub didn't come with a hard cover or you need to replace the one you own, it's nice to know that you can order a custom option online, like the MySpaCover Replacement Cover. A hard cover is a flat surface that can withstand much more weight than a soft cover, Robinson says. Hard covers are much more expensive than a soft cover. A hard cover is useful if you live in a cold climate where your hot tub may get covered in lots of snow. The standard version of this cover can hold up to 150 pounds on the top. If you anticipate a higher weight load, there are other models from MySpaCover that can hold up to a 450-pound weight load. All covers are constructed from durable marine-grade vinyl and EPS foam for insulation. We like this option because it is easy to customize. Choose from 10 colors, 7 shapes, fold/hinge locations, and various skirt and strap measurements. All options come with a 5-year warranty, which is helpful in case of any issues. Do keep in mind that, because this is a custom order, the production and shipping time could take at least a few weeks. Product details, dimensions, up to 96 by 96 inches, weight, varies based on size, shape, 7 shape options, material, marine-grade vinyl and EPS foam, weather conditions/insulation, year-round insulation. Number 5. MySpaCover Rectangle/Square Spa Cover in Deluxe Energy Saver. Those who live in colder climates should consider the MySpaCover Rectangle/Square Spa Cover. If you live in a cold climate, you will spend a small fortune on electricity trying to keep the hot tub up to your hotter desired temps, Robinson says. Keeping the warmth in the hot tub with an insulated hot tub cover is a wise move, both for your wallet and the environment. We like the MySpaCover pick because the ordering process allows buyers to completely customize their cover, from custom choices for shape, size, color, and skirt/strap length. Although, keep in mind it weighs 60 pounds, so it may be more difficult to take on and off. Crafted from marine-grade vinyl and an energy-efficient EPS foam, the brand promises this cover will help keep the heat in and save on heating costs. As a bonus, this cover comes with a 5-year warranty, so while it's expensive, the energy savings and warranty help counter the expense. Product details, dimensions, up to 96 by 96 inches, weight, 60 pounds, shape, custom shapes, material, marine-grade vinyl and EPS, expanded polystyrene, insulation foam, weather conditions/insulation, all weather conditions, fully insulated.